Next up, Jovi with DaVinci's notebook.
Okay, so this is just a small update of what I've been working on. For those of you who are not aware, this is a game about role-playing as Da Vinci and studying and cataloging different animals. And the animals react to you in different ways, and you have to just... it's a small experiment. These are the animals I've shown last time, but now I've animated them with their own little walk cycles. The great advantage of working in a cartoony, toon-like style is you can have fun with it. Like, my favorite one is the rhino because he's just so happy and like bouncing around. Most of this was done using Unity's latest Photoshop importer. If you haven't tried that, it's pretty neat, but I feel like there's some quirks that you have to work out. And they were done using bone rigging or puppet animation. Most of the creatures here don't have aggressive behavior, so in the short time that I did this, I didn't have to animate too much because all they needed was a walk animation. But there were two animals here that had aggressive behavior, which was the donkey. So it has a little wind up and stomping action, and the buffalo. Yeah. That shot bubble in the top was supposed to be a little shortcut help for the player, so they'll know that they can generally see what the character or the animal is thinking, and they can react appropriately. It's kind of bugged right now, so don't read too much into that. Next we have the player animations. So we just have four views, but generally this is two pictures, so it's really simple. But with animation, you can stretch that one or two drawings into a lot of things, which is neat. One of the things you have to do is determine if the animal is edible or not. So this is his eating animation. And the reason why it's shown in Unity is there was a bug with the sprite swap. It doesn't show up in game view for some reason, so we're trying to figure that out. And if the animal is not edible, this is my favorite animation.
Oh my god.
So yeah, a lot of this was done over like one night because I misread the date that my programmer needed to submit it in, so I had to stay up for this. So I also had to do a lot of shortcuts, which is really fun because it's like, how much can I get away with as little as possible? So I don't know if it's obvious or not, but the vomit animation is just like 2 frames that just cycle between each other, and then you just add motion to it, so it looks like there's more frames than necessary. So yeah, that's it. And we'll have hopefully maybe we actually have a sort of build right now, but it's not presentable. So I'll probably show that next week. I guess that's it. Woo! Thank you.